Keely learned a somersault. Sort of. Go out in the middle of the room and do it, Keely. Go out in the middle of the room and do it. Keely, do a somersault.
Hey.
Keely.
I don't know.
Keely.
Okay, say it without yawning. Say it without yawning.
Go ahead. Do it, Keely. Do it. Do it.
Say it again.
What? You can both do it. Keely, you can both do it.
Yeah, it's only going to take like 20 minutes, maybe. Okay, no offense, honestly, your boyfriend is not a mechanically inclined person. Okay? For us to do the brakes and replace the hub real quick so we can drive it back to Rob's house, 20 minutes, 40 maybe.
Keely. Keely.
I don't know how long
Flip.
it's going to be until we can get something to tow it out, is the problem. Because I have to be there for AAA. So one way or another, guess what? There's going to be a lot of banging around if the tow truck shows up.
Keely. Do a somersault.
Okay, fine. I can't wait that long. I have a job interview on Thursday. I have to have it start done by Thursday so I can make my interview.
Aiden, do a somersault. Just real quick. Show mommy how you do
I
yours.
didn't figure it out that we'd be able to until I could come home and look at Megan's schedule. We'll be out there early. Probably 9:30, 10 o'clock.
This is the first day they both learned it.
His boyfriend's such a